Oh, Nkosi yami, just getting through the day. And many people live in the survival mode for so long that it feels normal. We've normalized it, especially Esauta. Anisha, what is this life that we're living? Iran, Lilo, there's burnout and constant work stress, unemployment, worse, abantu bafundile bayagreda, amapara ngalana stealing copper in our backyards, instability. I mean, did you see the price of fuel these days? On top of intergenerational traumas and triggers, emakhaya ethu sisodwa, and the constant pressure just to keep going, just to hope for a better future. And